welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you about how to create Google Scholar account. So every research student, PhD student or the research scholars, when they publish their papers, after that if they want to make the research work online, they can create a Google Scholar account. So here I am going to explain you about that. Before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos like this. So here, for creating Google Scholar account, first you have to go to the browser. You can click here Google Scholar in the search box. So here you will get the link. So click on here the Google Scholar. Once you click here, you are going to get the interface like this. Before creating Google Scholar account, you must have the Gmail account. Already many of the students, or nowadays everyone has their own Gmail account. So you have to use your Gmail account to create Google Scholar account. So first you have to sign into Google using your Gmail ID. Then once you sign in, you are going to get the link for when you click Google Scholar, you are going to directly connect it to Google Scholar. Then here already I have created my Google Scholar account using my Gmail ID. So I will show you my Google Scholar account. Here you can see this is my profile, my library. So if I click my profile, it will take to my Google Scholar account. You can see here is my name, so institution, affiliation, which are the areas I am working, the research field, fluorescence spectroscopy, computational physics, radiation physics. So here you are going to get the research paper which you have uploaded on Google Scholar. If somebody or some research students, if they have studied your work, then you are going to get the citations for your paper. So here are the citation H index, I10 index. So this is how you can create here. You can add your co-authors also. First I will explain you how to create the Google Scholar account. Then I am going to explain about all these terms involved in this Google Scholar account in the next video. So first let us know how to create the Google Scholar account. So what you have to do here, if you click on my library, you are going to have the details of your work. Before that, what I will do, I will go to another browser. Here I will show you one example how to create Google Scholar account. So as I said, you should have the Gmail account to log in. Okay, already shown you my Google Scholar account here after using my Gmail ID. So first you need to sign in using your Gmail account. Okay, then once you sign in, you can click on here my profile. So before that also it will ask your Gmail ID. So in this case I will use here another account. So here if I will click on my profile, you can see here whatever the name you have provided in your Gmail, it is going to show you. profile. First step is to create your profile. Next step is to add your articles and settings. Whichever the settings you want to make, you can go to the step 3. So first step, you should add your name. Already if you have given in your Gmail ID, that is going to display here. Next you have to add your affiliation. So I can give the Gulbarga University name as affiliation. Gulbarga University. Okay. Then next what you have to do, email verification. You have to add your institution email ID. Very necessary. If you use Gmail, it will not going to work here. You should use your institutional email ID that you can get from your institution. So if you don't have, please uh, get soon the institutional email ID. Once you get, you can create Google Scholar account here. So area of interest, you can add your areas of interest, like how I have added fluorescence spectroscopy, radiation physics. And if you have any home page, you can, optional it is, not compulsory. If you have, you can add. Then go to here, next. So first I will add here institutional email ID that I have created. I got it from my institution when I was doing PhD. Physics at Gmail. Sorry, GUG we have to add, because institutional mail ID gug.ac.in. Okay. Then next, here area of interest, just I will add one of the area, fluorescence spectroscopy. Okay. Then click on, this is optional. So if you have, you can add. Go to next. So second step is to add here your articles. So here if any mistake is there, if in your provided data, it will show you. Okay. So first step is complete. Profile has been created. Articles related to you, you have to search here. If you have, you can just click on checkbox and add. So I will search my research articles here. Okay. So you can see these are the research articles related to my work. First you have to verify whether it is your paper or not. If it is your paper, then click on checkbox. This is not mine. So here our guide name is there. So this paper is also belongs to me. And Shura, so this paper is also mine. So like that, you can select your research articles. Once your research work has been published, then only they are going to display here. So if you have research papers related to your work, then only you can create your account. So once you select, if you add your research articles, go to next step, that is settings. Here in this step 3, article updates. Scholar automatically find your new articles, changes to existing articles. You should select apply update automatically. Whatever the changes or new updates regarding your article, you are going to get soon. So here you can click apply updates automatically. Profile visibility. If you want to make your profile public, you should click on this checkbox. Okay. because everyone is going to make public. So click on this checkbox, follow by email. So new articles, any of the new articles related to your work, if you want to read, just click on this. And new citations for your research paper, then everyone wants to know that, so click on this. So these are the settings you should make. If you click on done, your profile is going to be ready. So the this is how you can create your Google Scholar account. So first, you have to complete your profile. Three steps are there: profile, next step articles, and then settings. Once you are done with all these things, you can create your Google account. And once you create, you can go on adding your research articles, and you are going to get the citations related to your research paper. So here, as I shown you, this is my Google Scholar account. So here I have uploaded my research articles. Nearly around 20 articles are there. So you can add here co-authors, and I will explain you in the next video what are citations, H index, item index. So here are the citations for my work since when I joined PhD. So this is very helpful for any researchers to know uh, how their research work is going to be identified. So how many citations you have got for your research work, you can see clearly. So here they are going to mention year wise. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel.